Hi, welcome to the All Cases here. In this video we are going to talk about the latest Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on actual opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. We all want to learn more about ourselves so that we can be our best selves. That's why the all-new Galaxy Watch 4 Classic was designed to be the stylish companion to your road to a healthier you. Wear OS powered by Samsung is included with the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, allowing for seamless connectivity with Samsung Galaxy devices. Control ANC on your Galaxy Buds 2 or use your watch to enable apps on your phone. The Galaxy Watch 4 Classic's additional functions, like as the compass, make it even more useful. I have prepared this video guide for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 2021, so let's get started. The Samsung smartwatch was just announced and will be available on August 27th, along with a brand new Galaxy Fold 3 and Flip 3 phones, giving Samsung fans and watch enthusiasts another option. This watch has all the data your heart desires. Take care of your heart. Meet the Samsung BioActive Sensor, a real-time ECG monitor. ECG allows you to detect and monitor aberrant heart rate and rhythm, as well as send data to a compatible Galaxy phone for easy sharing. Better sleep starts here. An intelligent sleep tracker that identifies and analyzes your sleep stages while you sleep can help you improve your overall sleep quality. You can now monitor your blood oxygen levels and see if you're snoring thanks to improved measuring options, not saying you do. Let's talk about design. The spinning bezel and vibrant screen on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic are timeless. With our attractive bands, such as the Ridge Sports Band, you can stay comfortable and fashionable all day. With distinctive watch faces, trendy bands, and high-end stainless steel components, you can create your own personal style. The wellness on your wrist. With body readings on your wrist, you can get the health data you need to fuel your wellness goals. In 15 seconds, you may get a BM measurement with just 2 fingers for exercise and health objectives. The new Samsung BioActive Sensor measures your body composition in real time, providing you with valuable information as you work toward your health objectives. Track the workout. On your watch and phone, keep track of your activities and fitness scores. Count steps, monitor calories, and use GPS to remain on track. The Galaxy Watch 4 monitors physical activity to keep track of your routines and supports over 90 exercises for a more accurate workout report. Go farther together. With the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, you can enjoy every step you take with your friends and family. Using a live message board, you may track your steps and compete with pals. Last point to discuss is that it's more than a smartwatch. Learn how to use Galaxy Watch 4 to take your game to the next level. Connect to your Galaxy environment in the office, on the road, or anywhere your team's work takes them. So guys, this was the video about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.